Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Did you know some HOA boards fight harder to keep their seats than to actually serve their communities? Hi, I'm Stephanie from Michigan Condo Voices, helping co-owners understand their rights, their bylaws, and how real transparency works. Today, here are 5 reasons your HOA board may cling to power and what that means to you. One of the biggest reasons board stays entrenched is information control. If co-owners can't access financials, meeting minutes, legal bills, contracts, or even basic decisions, guess what? They also can't challenge anything. A board that wants to hold power will keep you confused and uninformed because an uninformed community can't hold anyone accountable. Some boards survive simply because no one else steps up. They know most people are busy, intimidated, or think they're not qualified, so the same people stay in place, sometimes for years, in fact, even when the community's clearly unhappy. Boards oversee large budgets, legal costs, maintenance contracts, insurance, special assessments. Sometimes a long-standing board is simply comfortable managing money their way. And when questions come up about spending, you may see defensiveness, resistance, or sudden closed sessions. Power follows the money, and HOA boards, money can be significant. Let's be honest. Some board members love the title, others enjoy the social circle, the control, or the feeling of authority. If your board feels like a clique, it may not want new voices disrupting that dynamic. Some boards are afraid that new members will uncover mistakes, mismanagement, or decisions they don't want questioned. So instead of welcoming transparency, they hold on to their seats very tightly. The problem, though, a board that's afraid of accountability rarely puts the community first. At the end of the day, co-owners, communities aren't held together by rules or bylaws. They're held together by people, real neighbors, real families, real lives behind every door. And when the same small group stays in power for too long, something important gets lost. The voices of the people who actually live the experience of the community. Fresh board members bring more than new ideas. They bring hope, fairness, and that feeling that the board sees everyone, not just a select few. They remind the board that transparency isn't a threat, it's a lifeline. And the present tells co-owners, you matter, your voice matters, your home matters. Healthy boards don't fear new faces, they make room for them. I call it inclusivity because strong communities grow when more people are welcomed to the table, not pushed away from it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's free. Take care. See you on the next one.